Did you know people are making thousands of dollars every month just by promoting Amazon products? But here's the problem. Most beginners struggle to create videos that actually get clicks and sales. That's where this powerful AI tool comes in. In this video, I'll show you how to use realistic AI avatars to create high-converting marketing ad videos in minutes. It's perfect for Amazon affiliates, e-commerce sellers, or anyone who wants to promote their own products online. With this tool, you don't need to show your face, record your voice, or edit videos. The AI does everything for you. I'll walk you through how to find trending Amazon products, generate AI-powered ad videos with just a link, and maximize your earnings on TikTok, Instagram, and more. If you're an affiliate marketer or have your own business, this tool makes video marketing super easy and effective. So if you want to start making money online with AI content, watch until the end, because this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. Alright, I've added a link to the tool in the description below. Click on it and it'll take you straight to the platform. If you scroll down a main page, you'll find videos with AI-generated avatars that look exactly like real people. This is super useful for affiliate marketers. When you use these realistic avatars to promote your products, people are more likely to buy without thinking twice. Alright, now let's create your free account. Go ahead and click on Sign In and sign up using your Google account. It's quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll land on a page filled with different tools. There's the product avatar, talking photo avatar, an AI voice generator, tools to turn long videos into shorts, and plenty more. But for now, click on Avatar Marketing Video. This tool will help you create marketing ad videos using just a link or your own materials. Once you're there, you'll see that the AI supports creating videos for a variety of platforms: Amazon, eBay, Shopify, Etsy, TikTok Shop, and more. All you need to do is provide the product URL from any of these sites, and the AI will handle the rest. For this tutorial, we're focusing on creating content for an Amazon product. So, the first step is finding a trending Amazon product that's in high demand. Here's how to do it. Open your browser and search for Amazon Movers and Shakers on Google. Click on the first link that appears. It'll take you to Amazon's Movers and Shakers page. This tool gives you a real-time view of products that have seen a huge increase in sales rank over the past 24 hours. It's a great way to spot trends and find products to promote as an affiliate. Once you're on the page, you can explore different categories using the menu on the left. For this example, I'm focusing on the video game category, and I've chosen the Xbox Series X product to promote. When you've picked your trending product, click on it and copy the product URL. Next, return to the AI tool, and in the link field, paste the Amazon product URL you just copied. Then click Analyze Link, and let the AI do the rest of the work. After that, a pop-up window will appear, and this is where things get really exciting. The AI will automatically pull videos and images related to your product, all based on the URL you provided. No need to search for product media yourself, it's all done for you. In here, you can choose which ones you want to include in your video. If there's anything you don't like, just uncheck it. For this example, I'm going to unselect all the images and stick with videos only. Once you're happy with your selections, click Continue. If you want to add your own product images or videos, you can easily upload them here. Or if you're feeling creative, you can use the Top View AI image creation tool to generate custom media and include that in your video. Next, you can see that AI automatically pull the product title, and below that, you'll find the product details that the AI will use to create the video script. If there's anything specific you'd like to include, you can edit or add details here. If you prefer to write your own script, there's an option for that too. You can type in your script, and the AI will use it exactly as you wrote it, without making any changes. For this video, I'm keeping it simple and letting the AI handle the script creation for me. Alright, now click on More Options. In this section, the first thing you'll see is the option to choose a script writing style. There are different styles to pick from. For this video, I'm letting the AI auto-select the script style, but feel free to try out the other styles and choose the one that fits your needs the best. If none of those styles feel right, don't worry. You can always create your own. Just describe how you want the script to sound in the prompt, save it, and the AI will use that as a guide when writing the script. Next, there's an option to describe your target audience. This is optional, but it can help the AI tailor the script for your specific viewers. After that, choose the video duration and upload your brand logo to add a professional touch. In the next section, you need to select the video aspect ratio that works best for you. For this video, I'm going with the vertical format, 9:16, since it's ideal for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, and Instagram. Next, it's time to choose a language. The AI supports over 20 different languages, which is great if you want to reach a global audience. For this video, I'm sticking with English. Now, let's talk voiceovers. you have access to over 100 high-quality, realistic voices, which is perfect if you want to give your videos a professional touch. You can filter voices by gender, age, style, and even language. Plus, if you want to make it even more personal, there's an option to clone your own voice. For this video, I'm going with the auto-select voice option, but feel free to experiment with the different voices and pick the one that best suits your content. Now, let's move on to avatars. You can choose from a variety of realistic AI humans with different ethnicities, ages, and styles. If you want something even more unique, you can create your own avatar. Just upload a sample video of your avatar. Click Create, and it's ready to go. For now, I'm sticking with one of the template avatars. They look super realistic and really bring your video to life. If you prefer not to use an avatar, you can select the empty bar option. But for this video, I'm going with the girl avatar. Inside, there are different scenes to choose from, and I'm picking this one. Once you've made your selections, just hit Confirm. Alright, once everything's set, just click on Generate, and the AI will create the perfect script for you. Once it's done, you'll see that the AI has come up with 3 different scripts. Take a moment to read through them, then click Preview. From there, pick the script that feels like the best fit for your video. Honestly, all 3 scripts are great, but I'm going with this one. If you want to change the voice, just click on the voice selection again and pick another one from the library. If you're looking to add a more professional touch to your video, click Edit, and you can customize everything. You can adjust each scene, script, and subtitle, or even replace any media you don't like. And if you want to add some background music, just click the music icon, and you'll find a variety of royalty-free tracks to choose from. Pick the one that fits your video, and adjust the volume to your liking. Finally, when you're happy with all the changes, hit Export, and your video is ready to go.
Want to level up your gaming? Pro gamers won't tell you this secret. Say hello to Next Level Gaming. Ever waited for load times?
Ever wondered what true 4K gaming feels like? With the Xbox Series X, it's a total game changer, packed with 12 teraflops of graphic power. This beast crushes load times.
Do not get caught with the wrong console. All my friends are asking for the link. They cannot get enough. This beast has 12 teraflops of power. Enjoy up to 120 FPS gameplay.
Did you see how smoothly the avatar moves and explains everything? And the scenes switch every 3 to 4 seconds. Keeps the video super engaging. If you're impressed with this tool, there's a free version available. Just click the link in the description and give it a try yourself. Now, let me show you another awesome way to promote your product using a feature called Product Avatar. It's super easy to use. First, select your avatar, then upload your product image. Don't worry about the background. It'll be automatically removed by the AI. Next, just adjust the size and position of your product and hit Confirm. Then AI will merge your product photo with the avatar. Once that's done, you can choose an image and click on the Image to Video Avatar option. The AI will create a cool avatar video for you. Then, just click here to save your avatar. After saving your avatar, go to Video Avatar. Here, you can input any script related to your product, and the avatar will speak it with perfect lip sync. First, select the avatar you want, then paste your script into the text-to-audio section. Choose the voice you like best, and hit Generate. Once you've made your selections, click Export, and the AI will start creating your video. And here's how the final result looks.
Hey gamers, want to level up your play? Meet the Xbox Core Wireless Controller, the ultimate way to enhance your gaming experience. Its super comfy design is perfect for those marathon gaming sessions.
Pretty awesome, right? Just like that, you can create tons of videos to promote Amazon affiliate products with just a few clicks. And the best part is, you can share these videos on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, and even Facebook groups to boost your engagement and grow your income. If you're interested in trying out this tool, you can create a free account by clicking the link in the description. With the free account, you'll get 10 credits each month, which lets you create 2 videos. But honestly, I recommend upgrading to the paid plan to remove watermarks and unlock more features. Plus, if you go with the annual plan, you'll get a 40% discount. If you're serious about starting Amazon affiliate marketing, the starter plan is definitely worth it. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.